Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with Robert, the Get Started with T-SQL course. Today we're going to talk about how to import the Adventureworks Data Warehouse 2017 database. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up on the video if you like what I do. That really helps me to know what I do well and what you guys want me to improve or focus more on in the future lectures. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So here you can see we have opened SQL Server Management Studio and we have connected to our local database server here. So in the beginning you will probably don't have anything in the database folder here, except for some system databases that. But if you want to, if you have downloaded a database and you want to import that into your SQL Server Management Studio here, you simply right click on databases and click on restore database. Here in this dialog you will select device and then you will click on the three dots here to the right. Once you're in this interface here, you will click on add and you will navigate to the folder where you have saved your the database backpack file. So in this case I already have it here, but you click on that file over there and you press OK and then you click on OK again and you see the database file will pop up here and you click on OK. I have already restored it, so I don't need to press OK here, but this is how you restore a database. So in the next lecture we are going to talk about some basic setup, how we can have IntelliSense, show the line numbers, sort of get to set up so we can work with our text editor the way we want it. So I will see you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.